Now, it's a lot of controversy about me putting heat in her hair. First things first, my child, not yours. Second thing, though, is a steamer brush actually creates less heat damage because essentially it is steaming your hair instead of frying your hair. But I love this because it's quick, easy, and we don't have a lot of time to do this.
It only takes like one little swipe, then you're good to go.
Look at that. Super straight, quick, easy. I gotta hit my hair up. Girl, I'm looking crazy too. I wanna be cute for the video. Okay. And it's perfect for all hair types. I've literally been using this for a couple of years now. It's quick, it's easy, and it doesn't burn her. One swipe. You can even get close to the roots to steam them out. Watch.
That feels good.
And look, you just take this off, fill it up with water, snap it back on.
Yeah.
You see how her edges are frizzy?
Bro, you just exposed my forehead.
You got a little forehead. Super straight, silky, flowy. Shake it. Yeah. We did baby girl a silk press in what? 10 minutes?
It was like, yeah.
10 minutes. You ready? You want to put the clips in?
What clip?
The bows? Okay.